Imagine standing alone in the vastness of an endless desert, the horizon stretching into infinity in every direction we look. In this boundless expanse, amidst the whispers of the wind and the echoes of eternity, there lies a direction that unites millions of souls across the globe. This is the essence of the Qibla in Islam, a singular, divine direction towards which the faithful turn in prayer, transcending continents, cultures, and the vicissitudes of time. Initially, this sacred axis pointed towards Jerusalem, a venerable city drenched in history and spirituality, revered by the world's great monotheistic faiths. Then, through a divine decree, this universal alignment pivoted towards Mecca, permanently altering the spiritual topography of Islam. This narrative journey through time invites you to explore the profound significance of this shift, delving into the when and why, and revealing the eternal impact it has etched on the soul of the Muslim Ummah. This story unfolds more than just a change in direction. It narrates the faith, identity, and an unbreakable celestial bond woven between the heavens and the earth. In the dawn of Islam, as the new faith took its first steps under the vast Arabian sky, Muslims turned towards Jerusalem in their prayers. This orientation was far more than a mere geographical preference. It was a profound act of continuity within the Abrahamic tradition. Jerusalem, with its hallowed ground housing the Al-Aqsa mosque, cradled a special place in the collective heart of the faithful, acting as a bridge connecting past and present in a tapestry of shared reverence. Aligning with Jerusalem in prayer reflected a period of transition, symbolizing the nascent Muslim community's search for its identity amidst the broader mosaic of monotheistic faiths. This phase was a testament to the universal spirit of Islam, embracing its roots while slowly charting a course towards its unique destiny. The transition from Jerusalem to Mecca was not a whimsical change of heart, nor a sudden shift in religious policy, but a profound event steeped in divine revelation. It was during a moment of communion with the divine, in the midst of prayer in Medina, that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received a command from Allah that would mark a pivotal change in Islamic history. This revelation is provided in the Quran, specifically in Surah Al-Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 143 to 144, guided the collective gaze of the Muslim community from the venerable city of Jerusalem to the sacred precincts of Mecca. These verses heralded a test of faith, a crucible moment designed to forge a stronger, more unified Muslim identity across the world. This divine intervention was not merely about altering the physical direction of prayer, but about realigning the spiritual compass of the Ummah to a one true monotheistic religion. The choice of Mecca as the Qibla's new locus was imbued with deep symbolic and historical significance. Mecca was not just any city. It was the cradle of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, birth, and the site where the Kaaba stood, a cuboid structure built by Prophet Abraham and his son Prophet Ismail as a house of monotheistic worship. This shift represented a return to the origins of monotheism, a reclamation of the Abrahamic tradition in its most unadulterated form. It signified the maturation of an independent Muslim identity anchored around the Kaaba, the eternal symbol of monotheistic devotion. The redirection towards Mecca fortified a collective sense of belonging and unity among Muslims, drawing them together under the banner of a shared direction of prayer. The modification of the Qibla resonated through the Muslim community with immediate and profound reverberations. This was a moment of trial, testing the faith and adaptability of the believers, challenging them to break away from established traditions and to embrace a new direction in their religious practice. The transition was fraught with challenges, necessitating a profound and collective shift in religious orientation. Yet, it was this very challenge that galvanized the Muslim community, fostering a deeper, more profound sense of unity and shared purpose. The universal orientation towards Mecca emerged as a potent symbol of the Islamic faith, serving as a daily reminder of the Ummah's collective identity and spiritual devotion. This change was a clarion call to unity, summoning the faithful to align not just in their physical posture during prayer, but in their hearts and spirits, under the guidance of a singular divine command. The alteration of the Qibla from Jerusalem to Mecca stands as a monumental event in the annals of Islamic history, embodying the resilience and faith of the Muslim community. This historic shift underscores the dynamic nature of religious practice, the pivotal role of divine guidance, and the unifying power of a shared spiritual direction. Reflecting on this transformative moment, we are reminded of the enduring bonds that knit the Muslim Ummah together, transcending time, space, and the ephemeral nature of worldly existence in prayer, faith, and an unwavering allegiance to the one true God, Allah, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as his last messenger. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, peace be upon you.